See here, one new topic that is alerts. Okay, alerts automation, and there are three types of alerts. First one is normal alerts, and confirmation alerts. Okay, and prompt alerts. So what is the difference between these three? Okay, so now copy this one. Okay, and paste it here. See this. Okay, click on this here. Click for JS alert. Okay, click for JS alert. This is click for confirmation alert. This is prompt alert. Okay, normal alert, confirmation alert, prompt alert. Okay, so if you click for JS alert, okay, it shows like this. So it is confirmation of OK button. So I am as a JS alert. Okay, so if you click one, you successfully clicked an alert. Okay, same like that. If you click for JS confirm alert, okay, if you click one, you clicked OK. Okay, so next for JS prompt alert, if you give any input here, okay, if you say pass the any send keys here, then you click on OK button here. Okay, after send keys, click OK button here. Okay, so normal alerts. Okay, first one is normal alerts. So how to handle the alerts? First of all, launch the application. Okay, next after launching on this, after click on the object, click for JS alert. Okay, click for JS alert. How to click? First identify the object. Okay, first identify the object, then perform the click action by using locators. Okay, so first identify the object, then perform the click action by using locators. So right click on this. Okay, inspect element. Okay, now go for, see here, this is button. So in this button, there is no class, no ID, okay, no link. Okay, so that's why here we go for XPath. Okay, here we go for XPath. Now click on this, Control F. Okay, here XPath, first double slash. What is this? This is a button, right? This is a button. Okay, button contains, there is no class name, no ID. So that's why we go for this text. Okay, now go for text, open text. Okay, open text equal to, paste it here, close this. But it is not highlighted. Why? So quotations are missing, single quotes are missing here. So that's why yellow color not displayed. Okay, now check this. Okay, it is displayed. Now we can see one simple program here. Okay, so previously you opened one, close this, close, drop down. Okay, I can close drop 4 also. Okay, save adugutundi, don't save. You can click that and next drop. Okay, so create one new class. Class name contains normal alert. That's why we can give n alert and click the checkbox public static void main string args and finish it. Okay, here we can launch one new browser. Okay, so copy these three same maximize buttons also, paste it here. Okay, so browser is different here. That's why we launched the browser and copy that browser. Okay, copy this browser, copy, paste it here. Okay, I can copy and paste it here. Next, see this. So identify the button here. So identify the button here. Identify the button here. This is the button. Okay. So now I can identify the click. So what is this action? Actually, we can click this button. Okay. So identify the button, then click on it. Now we can pass the X path. Okay. Copy this. Control C. Now driver dot find element by dot X path. We can select X path and pass that string. Okay. See here. So what is the action? This is identify the object. This is the identify the object. Okay. After identify the object, we can click on this. Okay. Now dot click action we can perform here. Okay, click, sorry, dot, can give dot, click will be displayed here. Okay, select and give in semicolon. Okay, we can identify the object, then perform the action, click action on that object. Okay, this is the click one. Next, manually I am clicking the, okay, manually I am clicking click for JS alerts. Okay, it shows OK button. Okay, if you click this, okay, if you click this, it shows what? OK button. Okay, then drop down contains select tag, then go for select class. If drop down contains select tag, go for select class. This is a alert. Okay, this is alert. So here using alert interface. Okay, this is alert. If this is contains class, okay, select tag name, then go for select class. If this is a alert message. Okay, that's why we go for alert interface. Okay, so now we can see first method. Okay, method one, backspace here. Sorry, control Z, small mistake. Okay, double slash method one. So first we go for method one. So what is method one? Okay, alert is the interface. So alert, alert, alert equal to, okay, alert equal to driver dot. We can switch that. Okay, we can switch to OK button. So that's why we can driver dot use switch button here. Okay, switch to method dot. We can click on alert. Okay, that's why alert will be displayed here. See this. This can import files are not imported here. That's why we can import this alert. Okay. You can import this alert with the help of this statement. Now we go for with alerts. Now perform the object. Okay, switch to alert here. Here we can switch that alert. Okay. Now alert dot accept. So we can click this alert. ALERT alert dot. Okay, accept. Accept means okay. Okay means accept, and cancel means dismiss. Okay. Now we can click OK. That's why we can accept here. Okay. Accept one and give here, and semicolon is missing. I will give semicolon. Okay. What is this accept button? This is OK button. That's why it is accepted. Okay. So now save the file and run it once. It will be running or not. It will be clicked or not. Okay. Wait, output is loading. Again, click browser launched. Okay. Next, maximize the window. Wait, maximize the window. Window clicked. Okay. After clicking, the result will be displayed. See this. You successfully clicked an alert. Okay. You successfully clicked an alert. Now, in browser here. Okay. In browser. Actually, we go for the browser. Close this. Okay. Close this. Go for browser. If you click OK, what is this? If you click an alert, okay, in this place. So actually, you can use another method also here. So I can write in method 2 also here. Now check it once. Method 2. So method 2 directly clicking. Okay, here alert interface is using, but here directly clicking. What is that? Driver dot. Okay, driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Okay. Dot accept. So see this, we can give into comments, either follow method 1 or method 2. Okay, whatever it is. You can follow the both methods. Okay. Now save it one and run it once. See this, this is also working or not. So browser launched, and after the browser launched, it was clicked. Okay. You successfully clicked an alert. Okay, it is also working. Okay. Verify a successful message after clicking OK button. We will go for another validation. Okay. Here, if you click OK button, successfully message is displayed. Okay. Result successfully clicked an alert. Okay. Result is successfully clicked an alert. Okay. If you get successful message, the test case will be passed here. Okay, if you get successful message, the test case will be passed. Some rare cases you will get alerts. Okay, alerts are not used regularly. Some rare cases you will get, okay, these alerts. If you want to get this test, after click OK button using get test method. Okay, if you get, okay, if you clicking this get test method, after, okay, I want to get this test. Okay, so get this test method is used to store in a variable, and after compare it, then expand the results are equal to the actual results or not. Okay, user story contains and expected results. Okay, if user story contains expected results, test case contains both positive expected results and actual results. Okay, now go for here and right click on this message. Okay, right click on this inspect element. See here, right click on this inspect element. See this ID result has, this one contains style. Okay, there is no class name. There is no class name. There is no URL. Okay, here no locator is available. Now I will go for XPath also here. Okay, so what is XPath? So control F here, double slash. So what is the tag name here? P is the tag name. So this is also contains text. Okay, text equal to single quotes. We will select, you are successfully clicked an alert. Okay, select this and paste it here in single quotes, close and close the bracket. It is select, it is highlighted or not? It is highlighted. Okay, now copy this XPath. Next, go for here. Okay, here we can type driver dot find element. Okay, by dot driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, XPath contains string. See this. Okay, here we can get what? Text. Okay, here we can get the text. From here, this test will we get the, okay. So I want to get this test after click OK button using get test method. Okay, using get test method here. So now get dot get text method. Okay, so get test method returns what? String. Okay, now we can store this statement into one variable. So variable name is result text. Okay, so variable name is result test. So here get test returns what? String. Okay, I mentioned here string. Sorry, string. Okay, it returns what? String. See this. So this is the identify the object here. Identify the object here by using this line. I am identifying the result test. Okay, I am using the result test. So get test method returns what? Okay, string. So I am going to test the values. That is why, that's why I used. I am going to test values. That's why I used the get test method here. Okay. Next condition. What condition? So first stored in a variable, after compare it and expected results are equal to actual results are not. Okay. So if you check expected results are equal to actual results, now go for if statement. If statement here, what is the variable name? Rest. Okay. Rest text. Rest text dot equals to what? Equals to what? Okay. State successful clicked an alert. Okay. See this. You are successfully clicked an alert. So copy this one and paste it here. Control V. So test. Okay. Test pasted in double quotes only. That's why it is string. Okay. If expected results are equal to actual results, then system.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. OK button. OK button clicked. Next, test is pass here. Here test is pass. Otherwise, else. Okay, same system.out.println. OK button. Okay, not clicked here. Okay, button not clicked means what? Test fail. Okay, test fail here. See this. So what is this one? First one. First we can identify the element. Okay, we can identify the element. After that, we can click on this. Okay. After we can switch to that alert and accept OK button. That is used for this alert. Okay. Next, we can identify the XPath. Okay, successfully get the alert, and we can get the test from there. Okay, that's why we can use it to store in a one variable. That variable name is the data type is string. If you get the test, you are selected click on alert. It is equal to okay expert. This is expert. Okay, this is the actual result is the actual result is this. Okay, this line is the actual result. This line is equal to expected results or not. Okay, if expected results are equal to actual result, okay, it shows okay button click the test pass. Okay, if the expected results are not equal to actual results, then okay button is not clicked, text fail. Okay, see this condition, it is working or not. Now you can save the file and run it once. See here, first one clicked browser launched, and after that maximize the window. Button is clicked. Okay, you are successfully clicked an alert. If you successfully clicked an alert, get a message. You will get that test. Here, see this. Okay button clicked. Test is pass. Okay, this is the normal alerts. Now we go for confirmation alerts here now. Okay, so see this. This is normal alerts message. Okay, if you verify successful message or clicking or OK button. Okay, now we check this also. Alert is present or not. We can see that. So now confirmation alert. So I can give some questions. Okay, what is the exit criteria for testing? So actually, exit criteria for testing is in my project, all user stories are completed, schedule is completed, no new bugs is in the project. Okay, that is the exit criteria. Okay, what is the exit criteria? In my project, all user stories are completed. After that, schedule is also completed. No new bugs are arised in the project. Okay. So when you are going to close testing also, it is a test closer method. Okay, test closer. Last step of testing. Okay. Now we will go for JS confirm method. So check this one. So see this. I can close this inspect. So now what JS confirm? If you click this, what they are asking? OK and cancel button here. In that JS normal alert, only OK button will be displayed. In JS confirm, so OK or cancel button will be displayed. Okay. So before going to select, so now switch to the alerts. Okay. If you before going to select, now switch to alerts. If you want to click this, I am as a JS confirm, get this test or not. Okay. First launch application. So launch application means same. Copy this 3. Okay. Copy this 3, 4, 5. Create one new class. What is that class name is? Confirm alert. So that's why C alert. Okay, and public static void main string args, click this and remove this test sheet here and erase these two methods also. Okay, this is are not useful. I can erase. Okay, so button is change it. So see this backspace. Here click on the JS confirm. Okay, now go for JS confirm. See here, this one is close to the window and we will go for here. Okay, I will refresh this. See this. Click on the JS confirm, right click on that and inspect the element. Okay, inspect the what is this button, and there is no here, there is no class name, no expa. Okay, no URL. Okay, there is no locator here. That's why here also we can go for XBath. Okay, here which locator is suitable? Name X, name is not. Okay, name is not there, class is not there, link is not there, tag is also there, but it is not useful. Now go for XPath. Now here we can go for Control F, double slash. What is that tag name? Button, button button. Button contains what? Text. Okay, what is the text? click JS alert. So copy this and paste it here with single quotes. Okay, close this. It is highlighted or not? Yes, it is highlighted. Next, copy this. Okay, here, paste it. Okay, so identify the element, and after identify the element, we can click perform on the action. What is the action? Click. Okay, click is the action. Next, driver dot switch to alert accept. Here also we can click OK button. Okay, switch to for click button we can switch to OK button. Okay. Next output is what? Here. Okay, now you can see this. What will be running here? Save this and run it once. It is clicked or not? Just here, that will be displayed here. Okay. So expand it. Okay. JS confirm also. Hey, JS confirm not clicked here. Oh, what is the here? Can apply JS alert. Actually, JS confirm alert kada. See this. Inspect on this. Um, something. Sorry. This is the wrong one. Close this. So JS confirm. We can inspect, right? Click JS confirm. This is the object name, yeah. So Control F. This is also JS confirm. No, this is JS alert. That's why it shows error. Okay. Control F. / VUTTON button. Okay. And after that, text is passed here. Text equal to single quotes, Control V, JS confirm, closed. Okay. Sorry, here 0 will be displayed. See this yellow color will be displayed or not? No, copy this, Control C. Okay. Paste it here. Erase this one. Within double quotes, I can paste another. JS confirm, I will paste. Okay. See this JS confirm. And after save the file and run it once. Okay. JS confirm is clicked or not. Okay. JS confirm clicked. It shows okay. So now, see here. If you click on JS confirm, okay, it shows what? I am a JS confirm. So I want this text. Okay. Here in that alert, it shows I am a JS confirm, but in the output, not getting any test. So that's why we can choose this test in the output. Okay. It will be displayed or not. Okay. So now we can write the method different driver dot. Okay. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot. I want what? Get text. Okay. So that text I will use here get text method. So get text returns what? String. I can be stored into one variable. So variable name is a text. Okay. A text is one variable name. It returns what? String. Okay. string. String. See here. Okay. It returns what? String. Now I want to display the test. Okay. Display the test means show this. Okay. I want to display the test. So display the test means we can write system dot out dot printl and println. So apply what? A text is the variable name here. Okay. Next, right after the display test, we can accept this. Okay. So now check this, save the file and run it once. See here. JS confirm clicked, it will be displayed. Okay. Okay. See this. JS confirm is come here in the console. So that's why we are using this test method. Okay. And print method. Okay. These two are used for displaying the I am as a confirm in console. Okay. Now what is the result here? See this. And okay, if you click JS confirm, okay, this will be clicked. Okay. Next, right click on this. Okay, inspect the element. See this. Here there is no not contains also name class. Okay. So that's why here also we will go for XPath. Okay. Control F, double slash. So what is the input tag name? P. P is the tag name. Here also contains one text. So what is the text here? Okay. You clicked OK kada. This is the text. Okay. Now copy this text and paste in the single column, single quotes. It will be displayed or not? Displayed. Now copy this. Okay. Then apply for the code. So here, driver dot find element by dot XPath. This XPath contains one string. Okay. So now here, okay, why this applying for here? We can get the test. You clicked OK. So that's why you can get the test here. Get test. We can apply method is here. Sorry. Dot get test. Okay. Can select here. So get test returns what? String. So I can be stored in this okay statement into one variable. The variable name is result test. Okay. So this is what? String. So that's why I can give the data type is string. Okay. So this is the identify the element, identify the statement. We can identify the statement. We can get the test. You clicked OK. Actually here we will get the test as click JS confirm. Okay. And IMA JS confirm will be displayed there. Now you can click OK means this will be displayed on this console or not. Okay, I am identifying the element by using the XPath locator here. It returns a string value. Get test is returns a string value. String is a data type. And okay, result test is a variable name. Now we can print this. Now we can print this. It will be printing or not. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println displays what? System dot out dot println displayed result test. Okay, RESTEST result test. Okay, result test. Next, here we can see. So what is the expected test? Here you clicked OK is the expected test. Okay. You clicked OK is actual test. Now we can compare with expected test. Okay. We will go for if condition. If condition shows what? So here we can take the one string variables here. So string is sorry. Here expected test. This is the variable name. Expected underscore test. This is the variable name. This variable name contains what? You clicked OK. See this. Copy and paste it in between the comments. Okay. See this. Now it is what? String. Okay. That's why it shows error. This is the string str with a y means double quote test is contains string. Okay. Next, if you expected result expected expected underscore test dot equals what? Dot equals actual test. What is the actual test? Actual test you clicked OK stored in what? Result test variables. Okay. That's why REXT result test. If you expect results equal to actual, sorry, this contains wrong name. Result test. Okay. If expected results are equal to actual results. Okay. Contains what? System dot out dot println test is pass. Okay. In this case, test is pass. Okay. Test pass here. No. Otherwise, test is fail. test, otherwise test failure. Okay. So see this. First one, we can click on the button JS confirm. After clicking, we will get one message. Okay. I am a JS confirm. That message will be stored, displayed in the console or not. Next, after that, we can accept that. Okay. Now, clicked OK will be displayed. That clicked OK is stored in the, okay, displayed in the console or not, we can check. Okay. If clicked OK is the actual results. If the actual results are equal to, expected results are equal to this actual results. What is that expected result? Expected result. You clicked OK is the expected result. Okay. This will be equal to, okay, reset this actual result. Okay. If you clicked OK is equal to, if you clicked OK, it will the test is pass. Okay. This expected results is not equal to this actual result. Test is failed. Okay. Now you can see this the output. Run it once. Browser was launched. After that, okay, you clicked OK, will be displayed. See in the console. Okay, I am a JS confirm. So first one is JS confirm. We can click this. Okay, and we can paste this. JS confirm will be placed in the test will be displayed in the console. Okay, next I want to display the get test of. You clicked OK. That will be displayed on here. Next, I want what if expected results are equal to actual results or not. If it is condition is true, then the test is passed here. Okay. So next another example here. There is another example. What is that example? Example contains alert is present. Okay, alert is present. It is explicitly wait. So in this case, how to use the wait statement. So here explicitly wait statement will be used here. So one condition, there is just assume that condition in the program. Okay, we can just assume that condition in the program. In the below the WebDriver, we can use what WebDriver wait method. Okay, WebDriver wait is used here. Okay, WebDriver wait is a okay class name or interface name. Now we can use wait new WebDriver wait. Okay, new WebDriver wait. This contains what? So driver comma duration of, okay, duration of seconds. What seconds? How many seconds? 10 seconds will be here. So it shows error. Why means WebDriver wait is not imported here. Either a class name is wrong. WebDriver wait. Okay. See this, it shows again error. So we can use import to the file. Import WebDriver wait. Okay. After imported, it shows error will be gone. Okay. And by using this wait statement, I am okay. Why will this use this wait statement here? This use statement is used for by using wait statement is I am controlling the selenium. So I am controlling the selenium here before going to alert. Okay, before going to alert is there. Wait, click on this. So alert will be gone. Okay, alert will be displayed from here onwards. Okay, this is just click button. Okay, so before that alert, before going to alert, we can use wait dot until. Okay, wait dot until. So expected conditions expected. Expected. So conditions dot what alert is present. Okay, alert is present. See this. Before WebDriver, we can use, okay, WebDriver below, we can use WebDriver wait. Okay, this WebDriver wait is used for explicitly wait statement. Okay, explicitly wait statement. This is a wait for 10 seconds for running. Okay, this will be used. We can write before click. Okay, before alert message, we can write the wait dot until expected condition is alert is present. Okay, if the selenium is not waiting, how to control by using this state. Okay, if selenium is not waiting, how to control the selenium means by using these two statements, WebDriver wait statement, wait until statement. Okay, use these two statements to control the selenium. Okay, This is the below the WebDriver. Okay, now we can save this file and run it once. Okay, I can close the before pages launch it, I can close this. So now we can save the file and run it. Okay, browser runs it, 10 seconds is wait. Okay, or not. After that, click OK. Click OK means here output will be displayed. Okay, now we will go for third. Okay, third item. What is the third one? Click JS prompt. Okay, prompt alert is there. Okay, prompt one. After this one, prompt is alert is present means we can see this now. Okay, next confirmation alert also we can perform that. Next prompt alert. Okay, here using what prompt alert means. See this. There is these two alerts don't contain any text box. Okay, but this contains only one text box here. You can enter this. Okay, you can enter the data here. Then click on OK here. Okay, what is this? Here we can pass the send keys. Okay, in this alert only we can pass the send keys. So now right click on this. See this? Refresh browser once and right click the JS prompt and inspect the element here. Okay, see this. This is also contains one button, but this is what there is no class, no name. Okay, that's why Control F. Okay, Control F, double click. What is there? Button is there. Button contains what? Here button is text. Okay, text is displayed. What is the text? JS prompt. Okay, copy. Control V. Okay, JS prompt will be displayed. Now we will go for new class. Create new class. Class name is what? Prompt alert. Okay, P alert here. So click the checkbox. Public static void main and finish. Okay, you can write here same previous methods like WebDriver wait half seconds. We can go for here. Okay, Control C and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. This button is not working. Why means this is the JS confirm button. Now we will go for JS prompt button. Okay, that's why copy this statement. Okay, copy the text box, paste it here, and after the identifying the object, we can click on that object. Okay, after identify the object, we can click on that object. Okay, next use the wait until command statement. Okay, see this. Wait until present is present or not. Okay, this will be displayed here. Next driver dot. Next see this. Here we can click on the JS. Okay, we can click on the JS prompt. Here we can click on the JS prompt. Okay, we can pass the send keys here. Okay, we can switch to this. Can switch to pass the send keys here. That's why we can write the code here. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot what send keys. Okay, we can pass here send keys. What is the send keys? My name Purnachan. Okay, I can pass here by my name. Next, after passing what? See this? Here I can pass the my name. After passing what? Click OK. Okay, you entered Purnachan or not? Okay, this is correct. So see this and let's just switch to accept that. Okay, driver dot switch to dot accept this. Okay, I can click or OK or not. Now we can click OK. We can write this method. Click OK for driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Okay, after clicking this button, the result will be displayed. Okay, so save the file and run it once. See this output. So why it will get load slowly? Why means here we can use explicitly wait commands. That's why it shows slowly. See this, the result is you entered input that will be displayed. Okay, I can pass the send keys Purnachan, that will be displayed in the output or not. Okay, displayed now. Okay, and click on this result, inspect. Okay, this is you entered name. Next, select this. So I can use here contains. Okay, Control F, /P, contains what? Test. Okay, test here, test comma what? Test comma what? I can leave the name as Purnachan, so that will be displayed or not. You can check it once. So close this. Okay, select or not? Selected. Now copy this one and go to Eclipse. So here we can find the element driver dot find find element. Here we can pass XPath and by dot XPath. Okay, driver dot XPath here. We can select this XPath. In that we can give this one. Double quotes will be closed here. After that, what? I can get this text. Okay, I want to get this text. You entered Purnachan. Okay, I want to get this text using the get text command. Dot get text here. Okay, semicolon. So get text returning one string. Okay, get text returns one string. So we can store that string in one variable. Okay. So what is the variable name? Is result text. Okay. Result text. So get text returns what? Okay. Get text returns one string. See this. Get text returns what? String. Okay. See here. Now execute display this one. So system dot out dot printl and println. Okay. Display తర్వాత చేద్దాం మనం. So first we can give here expected test. Okay. So now expected test is what? So expected test is you entered Purnachan is the expected test. Okay. See this. You entered Purnachan. This is the expected test. This is equal to actual test or not? Now you can see this in the output. It contains double quotes. Next, what is it? This is the string. That's why mention the data type here. String. We mention the data type here. It shows error. Sorry. Okay. Next. So if expected test contains Purnachan, if expected test contains Purnachan, so the test is pass. Otherwise, test is fail. Okay. Now see this. If exp underscore test, sorry, test this. Score test dot what? Contains. Contains. What contains? Purnachan is the name. Okay, one string contains. If the string is matched with actual results, then the test is passed. Okay. System dot out dot printl and println. Test is pass here. Test pass. Otherwise, what? Can write the else condition. Okay. System dot out dot println. Okay. Println. What? Test is fail here. Okay. So see this condition. It shows what? First one, browser launched. After browser launched, JS confirm, JS pro click from this will be displayed. After that click on this. Okay, click on this. Purnachand send keys. I will pass to the test box. Okay, after test box, the Purnachand's name is passed. Then, okay, click on OK button. That will be accepted here. Okay, the result will be displayed there. After the display, okay, after displayed the result, then that test will be displayed in the console or not. That's why we can select this Xbox. Okay, I can pass the get text. Okay, so now get text contains what? Name. Okay, so my expected results are Purnachand name. So that contains Purnachand actual results. Then the system will be displayed test pass. Otherwise, test is failed. Okay, now you can see this, copy and paste it here. So here I can pass this. Purnachand will be displayed. So see this test is pass or not. Okay. Now test is passed. The program will be run correctly. Okay. I can print only test pass, not this get test. Okay. You can print the print this get test also. So use what system dot out dot println is here. Okay. Println use what will be displayed here. Okay. Result test. Result test will be displayed here. If you get this. Okay. And if you get this print name also, you can store this into one variable and then print it also. Okay. The same here, I can save this file and run it what? See this. Browser launched or not? Launched. Purnachand name will be displayed here. You enter the name is Purnachand. Okay, same previous program also. No alert. Okay, confirm alert. If you run confirm alert, what will be displayed? Run it once, confirm alert. See this. If you run confirm alert, okay, displayed means what? I am a JS confirm also displayed. You can same displayed like you can use get test method. Okay, same like this. Okay, these two methods you can use. You will get the test. Okay, so program will be completed here. There are three types of alerts. That alerts will be also displayed. Okay, so alerts concept is closed. Three types of alerts: normal alerts, confirm alerts, prompt alerts. Okay, thank you for